Today we're making spring chicken wings. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's recipe is a great recipe for springtime because we're doing chicken wings in the oven. Yeah, you could do them on the barbecue, but it still is a little cold, no matter even if you're from the Midwest. Now, I'm going to teach you some things that I learned the hard way from doing this recipe. The first one is my baking pan. I have it lined with aluminum foil, and I sprayed the aluminum foil with a spray, a cooking spray, simply because they'll stick. These wings will stick. Then I have about 3 pounds of chicken wings. You could cut these up into buffalo wings. I'm not going to. I will try to arrange them in a nice way. If you have a better pan, go ahead and put them in a bigger pan. My chicken wings are all arranged. Don't worry, we will flip these over. So yeah, things poking up, that sort of stuff, that's okay. Now we're going to take our ingredients and mix them up. We're going to start with our soy sauce. I'm using olive oil, garlic, which has been minced, red pepper flakes, ketchup. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own ketchup, click that eye in the sky and you can make your own ketchup, or you could just buy ketchup, which is absolutely fine. And honey. Now we're going to add salt and pepper to taste, and then whisk this all together. You want to whisk this until it is combined thoroughly. It does help if your honey is room temperature. That smells really good. Now I'm going to take this and pour this over my wings. Like I said, don't worry if everything isn't coated evenly. We are going to flip this halfway through. So I'm going to put it into my oven for 30 minutes. At the 30-minute mark, I'll flip these over and then cook it for another 30 minutes or until everything is nice and caramelized. My wings are out of the oven. Now I'm going to have these for tonight's dinner, but I'm going to take a bite out of one. No, I do not normally eat wings with a knife and a fork. Alright, let's give this a taste. Those are really good. They're spicy, they're sweet. They took no time at all to make. These are so good. I'm actually amazed at how good these are. The tangy, the wonderfulness, I think you're going to like these. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. I love making these recipes for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time. These are so good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.